What makes a Snickers bar so irresistible? Is it the chewy nougat, the gooey caramel, the roasted peanuts, or the smooth milk chocolate coating? The truth is, it's all of it, combined in just the right way to create the perfect snack. Since its introduction in 1930, Snickers has become a global favorite, beloved by people of all ages. But have you ever wondered what actually goes on inside a candy factory to produce this chocolate masterpiece? Today, we're taking you inside a fully automated candy manufacturing plant to uncover how Snickers bars are made from scratch to shelf. From selecting premium ingredients to wrapping each bar, the process involves precision, food science, and a bit of chocolate magic. Let's get started. The factory overview. Inside one of Mars Incorporated's massive production facilities, Snickers bars are produced at an incredible scale. One of these advanced factories can produce several 100,000 bars per day. With cutting-edge machinery and strict quality control standards, every bar is carefully crafted to maintain consistency and taste. The factory floor is divided into specific zones, one for ingredient preparation, another for mixing and cooking, followed by assembly, coating, cooling, and finally packaging. Each department is staffed by experienced technicians and monitored by automated systems that track temperatures, moisture levels, and production speeds. Chocolate-based creation. Although chocolate is the last layer to go on a Snickers bar, its preparation begins early in the process. Sourcing and roasting. Cocoa beans are imported from regions like West Africa and South America. Once delivered, they're cleaned and roasted in massive ovens to develop the chocolate's signature flavor, grinding and mixing. The roasted cocoa nibs are ground into a thick paste called chocolate liquor. This is combined with sugar, milk solids, cocoa butter, and lecithin in a large blender, conking. The mixture is then refined in conking machines that mix and aerate it for hours, smoothing out the texture. Tempering. Finally, the chocolate is tempered. This process heats and cools the chocolate in stages to give it a shiny appearance and a crisp bite. Once ready, it's stored in heated tanks until it's time for coating. Peanut. Processing the peanuts in a Snickers bar are not just any peanuts. They're specially selected and roasted to perfection. Arrival and cleaning. Bulk peanuts arrive in 2,000-pound sacks and go through a cleaning system that removes shells, debris, and dust. Roasting tunnel. The clean peanuts are conveyed into a roasting tunnel where they are roasted at around 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 30 minutes. Flavor enhancement. After roasting, the peanuts are cooled and seasoned with a fine mist of salt. This simple addition enhances the flavor without overpowering the bar's sweetness. Storage. The roasted and salted peanuts are stored in stainless steel bins until it's time to combine them with caramel. Caramel production. Caramel plays a crucial role in giving Snickers its signature chew and rich taste. Mixing ingredients, corn syrup, butter, sugar, milk, and a pinch of salt are mixed in large cooking vats. Cooking under vacuum. The mix is cooked under a vacuum at around 245 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a chewy consistency without burning the sugar. Flavor additions. Towards the end of the cooking process, vanilla extract is added for extra depth of flavor. Emulsifiers are also included to keep the caramel stable and smooth. Cooling stage. The hot caramel is slowly cooled to make it thick enough to be layered, but not so hard that it loses flexibility. Nougat preparation. Nougat forms the soft, chewy base of every Snickers bar. Syrup creation. Sugar, corn syrup, and water are heated to make a thick syrup. Whipping egg whites. While the syrup heats, egg whites are beaten until fluffy. The hot syrup is then slowly poured into the egg whites while continuously mixing. Texture balancing. The mixture is cooked further to about 270 degrees Fahrenheit. This stage is vital to achieve the perfect firmness. Flavoring. Peanut butter is folded in to give the nougat its nutty flavor. Sheeting. The finished nougat is fed through chill rollers to form a flat, even layer about half an inch thick. Layer assembly. This stage is where all the delicious elements of a Snickers bar come together. First, a flat nougat sheet travels along a conveyor system. A thick ribbon of warm caramel is evenly spread on top of the nougat. While the caramel is still soft, roasted and salted peanuts are sprinkled over it, sticking gently into the gooey surface. These ingredients begin to fuse as the layered slab continues down the line dot to lock everything in place and achieve the right texture. The slab enters a long refrigerated tunnel. The cool temperature helps solidify the layers, making them easier to handle in the next cutting phase, while also preserving their flavor and structure. This crucial step ensures that each bar gets the perfect balance of chewiness and crunch before it's shaped into the iconic Snickers format. Cutting and shaping once. The layered slab has been cooled and solidified. It's time to cut into individual bars. First, high-speed rotary blades slice the wide slab into long strips. These strips are then transferred to a guillotine-style cutting machine, which chops them into standard-sized bars, each about 4.5 inches in length. This ensures that every Snickers bar meets exact size specifications. Precision is crucial here, as even a small variation can affect the quality and consistency. After cutting, the bars travel down the conveyor where they pass under visual scanners. These advanced machines inspect each piece for uniformity, checking length, shape, and alignment. Any bars that don't meet the standards are automatically removed from the line for recycling or reprocessing. This entire process happens rapidly, allowing thousands of bars to be shaped and checked in just minutes. It's a vital step in making sure every Snickers looks and feels just as it should before heading to the chocolate enrobing station. Chocolate coating. Here comes the most mouth-watering part of the Snickers journey: chocolate coating. After being perfectly cut and shaped, the bars head to the enrobing station. First, they glide over a flowing bed of warm milk chocolate that coats their bottoms. This acts as a foundation layer. Then, they pass through a curtain of melted chocolate that cascades over the bars, wrapping them in a smooth, velvety layer. From top to bottom, this ensures a rich chocolatey bite in every mouthful. But there's a final artistic touch to give Snickers its unique look. A decorative roller lightly imprints a signature swirl on top of each bar. It's a small detail, but one that's instantly recognizable. Once coated, the bars move through a temperature-controlled cooling tunnel. This hardens the chocolate evenly, locking in the shape and preventing any melting or smudging. By the time they exit, the bars are firm, glossy, and ready for wrapping. Each coated bar is now a finished masterpiece, just waiting to be enjoyed. Packaging and distribution. The final step in the Snickers journey is packaging and distribution. As the freshly coated bars cool and harden, they head toward the wrapping station. Here, a high-speed machine individually seals each bar in a specially designed plastic wrapper that locks in freshness and protects the chocolate. Once wrapped, the bars are sorted based on size, whether regular, king size, or fun size, and grouped accordingly into cartons. This step is done automatically and with precision to ensure accurate packing. Each carton is then labeled with essential product information like production date, batch number, and destination. These label boxes are stacked on pallets by robotic arms, ready to be loaded onto truck stop from here. Snickers bars begin their global journey, shipped to supermarkets, gas stations, vending machines, and convenience stores around the world. Thanks to a well-orchestrated distribution system, millions of people enjoy this beloved candy bar every day, fresh, consistent, and always delicious. From simple ingredients like peanuts, cocoa, and sugar, to a beautifully crafted bar wrapped and ready to eat, every Snickers undergoes a journey of engineering, precision, and flavor. It's not just a snack. It's a marvel of food manufacturing. We hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour of how Snickers bars are made. If you love seeing how your favorite foods are brought to life, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Food Factory channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tasty update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode where we uncover the magic behind another delicious creation.